All right, so the Sniper Essay Organizer is formatted the exact same way as your character essay. So, just as we go through this here quickly, and this will be your introduction paragraph video. So again, please make your writing blue. And I will link all the videos for each body, paragraph, and the conclusion and the intro here. So all the videos that you need are right on your essay organizer. So your introduction paragraph is super, super easy. And again, it's only 3 or 4 sentences. So the first thing you're going to do is write your context. So it says, write 2 to 3 sentences that provide background information on the Irish Civil War. Use the background article as needed. Be sure to put things in your own words. So if you click here, you'll notice I set it up so when you start typing, it is already blue. So I hope that helps you guys in changing the colors, but you just need to do what it says. So 2 to 3 sentences about the Irish Civil War, that background article that we read last week where you had the questions. I linked that right here if you want to look at it. Just please, please do not copy and paste out of that article. That is plagiarism and you will lose points for that. So just give me some information. So you could start by saying the Irish Civil War took place blank, or you could say in 1922, whatever you want to say, just 2 to 3 sentences about some background information about the Irish Civil War in your own words. I cannot stress that enough. Then you will have your thesis statement. So in the short story, put in the short story title and make sure you do the appropriate punctuation for that title. Remember, it's a short story. So punctuate appropriately. It's either italics or in quotes, so you should know which one it is. So in the short story, The Sniper, by, and then find that author's name. I'm not going to tell you, so you have to do a little work here, but look back at the PDF of the story. So it'll say in the short story by the author, the Irish Civil War is depicted through the time, place, that'll be your first paragraph, time and place. Atmosphere will be your second body paragraph, and then theme will be your third body paragraph. Again, make sure your writing's blue. Make sure you have 2 to 3 sentences here and make sure you fill in these 2 parts for your thesis. But that is your intro.